everybody, and welcome to my video today. I have something really exciting that I'm launching today and I want to share it with you. You are looking at two scrapbook layouts. They are my traditional simply layered pages that I always do. I'm going to walk you through these projects in just 1 second. I have two of them here, and this is the official launch of my Blessed2Scrap monthly subscription. It is a club, I guess you could say, that I am doing. Originally, I was doing a lot of my scrapbooking with my Blessed2Craft group, which is my card making club that I do each month. And there were some people who liked having the scrapbooking with the card making, and then there were some people who didn't. There were some that just liked the scrapbook layouts and didn't really care for the cards, or liked the cards and didn't care for the scrapbooking. So I just decided to pull those two things apart, and now I have Blessed2Craft, which is all about card making. It is a simple make and take club that I do at the beginning of the month, and then now I have my Blessed2Scrap, which is all about scrapbooking. So this is really fun, and I think it's just more affordable for everybody, and it's a lot simpler. So it's $14.99 a month. So it's less than $15 a month, really, right around $15 a month. And you get the digital items of all of it. You get the process videos for two layouts. You get the PDF with all of the measurements of each layout. And then you get an exclusive Facebook group where I do a whole bunch of memory keeping stuff in that group. So I have 2 videos per week in that group that is all focused on memory keeping. Lots of fun memory keeping things in that group. I share about my project life albums more in that group. I do my mini albums, week in the life, December daily, all of that stuff I do in that group on a weekly basis. Like I said, there's 2 videos a week. So I post on Mondays and Thursdays in that group. And then there is this monthly workshop. So let me show you both of the layouts so you can see them. I really love these. So here is the first layout right here, and each of these layouts come with process videos where I show you my process in making this. They're not just overview videos. You will actually see start to finish me creating this layout and talking you through it. You will see where I make design choices, why I make those choices, when I shift something around or I change something. You will see that. You will see how I conquer a couple problems. Like in this layout here, I needed another design and like another piece of pattern paper, and I share with you how I figure that out and how I do that. So this is the first layout you will see, and the process video for it. And then this is the second one right here. So each of these come with a process video. So let me just make sure this is in camera. This has the basic black background or base for this one. I really love the way this one came out. I used all scraps on this one. So for this one of the things I talk about in the process video for this is how I pieced together some scraps to be able to do a full 12 by 12 layout or a double-sided layout. Even though I only had scraps left of the designer paper, I have used so much of this designer paper. I just did not have a whole lot of it left. So I talk about this in that process video. And again, it's a process video from start to finish. I'm turning on my camera. I'm creating a page. I share with you how to make these little floral embellishments, which were really fun. We do some stamping on the layout or on different pieces. There's just lots that go into these layouts, and I'm excited to be sharing the process from start to finish. I would love for you to join me for Blessed2Scrap. It's $14.99 a month, $14.99 a month. You're going to get both process videos, so you will get a process video for both of these layouts, a PDF with all of the measurements, and then there's a photo on that PDF. I put a lot of time and effort into my PDFs. That way you have all of the information. There is a supply list, but you won't get any of the physical product. If you want to place an order and get physical product, you can do that. But I know that it can be a little bit of a barrier sometimes in ordering the product to get a class class or to get a PDF, it can just sometimes be a nightmare for you guys. I understand that. So that's why I am offering it this way. So $14.99, you're going to get both process videos. You will get a PDF, and then you will get to be a part of that exclusive Facebook group. You can cancel anytime. So if you just want to try it out and see how it is this month, I would love for you to do that. And then you can cancel after you get the PDF and the videos. It's not a problem. You can cancel anytime, no big deal. And you can join anytime. So anytime that you see the video, there's no there's no registration time. That's the other thing that's really nice about this is if you see this video from 2 months from now and you want to join, you can do that and you will get to see all of the past items in that group. So you will get to see this layout if it's 2 months from now and there's 2 more layouts in the, in 2 more months of layouts in the group, you will get to see all of it. So that's another great feature of Blessed2Scrap is you don't have to worry about a window of opportunity to sign up. You can sign up anytime. So if you have any questions, I would love to answer them or chat with you. So please reach out. You can comment in the YouTube comments below or over on my website, or you can even email me. And I just can't wait for you to get these layouts, get the PDF and start making them. You will also find that in my process videos, I will also walk you through different tricks that you can do. So if ever there's a layout where you can turn it or change it, a lot of times I design my layouts like that. Obviously, if I've already stamped things or I have embellishments going a certain way, you won't be able to do that. But in my process videos, I will often talk you through how you can get more photos on a layout, or you can, twist it or turn it or flip it to make it work for your photos. I believe that it's really important for you to have some room to make those decisions, because we don't all take photos the same way. We don't all take the same amount of photos. So I really want these layouts to be able to work for you. So I would love for you to come join me. There is a link in the description below or over on my website. And I look forward to chatting with you and sharing more layouts and more memory keeping projects with you. I hope you have a wonderful Friday if that's when you're watching, and I'll be back next week with more videos for you. Thank you guys so much. Have a great day.